If this is your first furry convention, hooray! Here's some things to know about fursuiters.
First, most fursuiters love getting their picture taken with you. If you'd like to get a photo with a fursuiter, ask them.
Second, no, you don't need a fursuit to attend a furry convention. Most of the furs here aren't fursuiters, believe it or not. Less than a third have a fursuit here at MFM.
Third, a costume does not imply consent. This includes hugging. If you would like to hug a fursuiter, always ask their permission first.
Fourth, fursuiters get really hot. They're wearing a giant carpet around. If a fursuiter needs to cut in line to get to water or get up to their room so they can cool off, please don't be mad. We want everyone to be safe so they can come back next year.
Fifth, almost all fursuits are handmade, sometimes by the person wearing them even. They're a work of art that allows a furry to express themselves in ways they never could have before. If you see a fursuit you really think is cool, let them know. It will make them happy.
Sixth, some furries choose to not talk while in character. If you ask them a question and they don't respond to you in English, see if you can figure out what they're trying to say.
There's a lot more to know about fursuiting, but hopefully we helped teach you something you didn't know before.